Okay, day 1, and today I'm focusing on my brows. I'm not even going to lie, my brows have always been the hardest part of my makeup. Some days they look decent, and other days I have to wipe them off and start again. And I think the problem was I never actually understood what I was doing. I was just filling them in however felt right at the time and hoping it worked. But before filming this, I actually took some time to watch a few tutorials. And I realized there is a method to it, like where your brows are supposed to start, how the shape is meant to follow your face, and how to make it look natural instead of too harsh. So now, I'm trying to apply that. I'm going in a bit lighter, trying to follow my natural shape and not overdoing it like I usually would. And already, I can see a difference. It's not perfect, but it definitely looks better than what I was doing before. Okay, this is progress. Let's see how the rest of the week goes.